Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel. Today I'm here for another unboxing video. And today this unboxing, I think it may be quite exciting. It's not maybe, it is quite exciting. And let's open it. I think it's the kind of exciting package that deserves my winter Christmas feel Victorinox knife. So let's see what I have here. First, I want to say this is a pen that I bought for myself. Used again some advertisement money from the channel and some other sources related with the activity of the channel. And so let's see what we have here. Maybe I will not need the knife, not sure. So what I have here is a big package from DHL. Let me see if I can open this. No, I can't. So let's go and do it the hard way or the easy way, which is to cut this big plastic bag, and it's done. Let's put it aside, and here I have the box. And the box, this is something that I bought from this store, Stilograph Corsani, and this is a store, a pen store in Italy, in Rome. So let's see what we have here. And let me try to open this. And yes, here I have the pen. So I have here a little card. I think it has, yes, it is the amount I paid. It's not cheap, this one. I have the pen wrapped inside a kind of a gift wrap, and it looks to be another package here. Strange, I only ordered one pen. Let me put it aside. And also one of those velvety pen pouches. So this is quite interesting because I am sure I only bought one pen. An expensive one, but only one. So let's take this away. Put these here. And I will zoom in a little bit and I'll be right back. Okay, I lowered the camera, which is my phone, and now I'm much closer to the boxes. So I have this pouch that I was showing you, and I have two kind of gift wraps. I will open this first because I think the pen that I ordered is in the other box. Let's see. So I don't know why I'm cutting these like that, because I usually just rip these kind of packages, but we'll see. Okay. Nice. They sent me a little box of Iroshizuku inks. And how do I open this? It should be easy. Okay. Wow. This is so nice. Yamabudo. I have this one, so I know this ink. But these little small bottles are very nice. I have this one in a large bottle, but I've been using it, so it's nice to have a refill because it is kind of an ink that I didn't think I would use that much, but I really do use. this one that looks really nice also, the Inaho. Sorry about my Japanese pronunciation, which doesn't exist. And a Kozumozu. I'm not sure how to say these names, but this box is so nice. I love this. I'm really happy. So far I have to say to Stilograph Corsani, thank you so much, or trying to say it in Italian that I don't know, grazie. Grazie mille. I'm very happy for this little gift. I'm really happy for this. We have no relationship of sponsorship or anything. I bought the pen at the full price. They know that I am the guy behind ODE, but I didn't expect the extra gift, and I'm really happy for that, because I don't buy that much ink, but I have lots of ink, and it's also so nice to have the possibility of trying new ink. So thank you so much. Now let's see the next package, and here we have what I bought. Again, this unboxing video will get long, but you already know. And yes, there will be, or no, there won't be any writing sample. So, I think it's like this. Yes, it is a Montegrappa pen. So I bought the Montegrappa, an Italian pen from an Italian store, and this should come out like this. This green package is very nice. I like it better than the blue one. And let's open this flap. We have here the new Montegrappa logo. And I hit the camera. The new logo is all over here. They used to have that kind of filigree thing. Now they have these swirls that remind us also of the M from Montegrappa. I think that's the idea. And here we have the pen. And I think this is a lovely one. So let's see here. We have the traditional Montegrappa paper, the cartridges, the pen bed, and let me show you this beauty. So what I have here is a special edition of Montegrappa for the store Corsani, and this edition is called Montegrappa Mia Cityscape for Corsani. And the pen is a pen that is rich in purple, yellow, and kind of pinkish also. So here you can see the nib. This time I went for a fine nib. I have one, but I went for a medium nib. This time I went for the fine. I think that this pen was tested before because it has ink inside. Maybe they test the pens. This pen is yes, it has ink on the nib. As I say, I think they should have tested. This is a special edition. So far as I can understand, they only produced 30 of these pens so far. It's not really a limited edition. I think it may become a regular edition, these Montegrappa Mia Cityscape, but at this time it is a special edition, and it is a nice one. I thought, but the materials are different from pen to pen. I was expecting the stripes to be a little deeper, a little bit more dramatic. Here they are not that much on the cap, but this is a beautiful finish. Now let me show you. I think the pen reminds me a little bit of the Montegrappa, which is a pen that I like a lot. I think it has the same kind of structure, but this is a piston filler. It is a different one. And I have the Mia in Meteor Shower. And I think that this material is lovely. I think a little bit more interesting than this new one that I bought. Okay, but this part that is more kind of hazy, it has the same kind of finish here on the other one. The logo there, the clip, the cap that says Montegrappa and made in Italy. It has no special engraving saying it is a Corsani, because I don't think it will be forever exclusive edition. And then we have this kind of barrel, which I think it's really nice. So the color is not very easy to pick on camera. I think the finishes of these Mia editions are very hard to catch. They have a very dark. It's hard to say, because there is not that much depth in the material, and material is very shiny, and it is hard to show all the amazing stuff there is in this kind of material, these kind of stripes. I really think this is a beautiful pen. So this is what I had to show you today. The pen that I bought from Corsani, and they sent me also the inks by Pilot, which are really nice. And so this is the pen that I had. This is the Meteor Shower. This is the Cityscape. And I have to confess that I was looking at the Mia Spice Explosion, which is a yellow pen that I tend to like yellow pens, but this one catched my eye and I had to have it. So I'm really happy, and I want to close the video now and to keep looking at the materials of both pens and compare them and look at those patches of different colors that both have, that sometimes they are almost strange. Like you have here deep or pure white there, and here you have pink, but then you have this kind of orangey brown, which is similar to... Okay, I think this is beautiful. They remind me of paintings, and if you ask me, I would love to collect all these Mia collection, but I guess I won't have enough money to do that. So this is all I had to show you today. My newest Montegrappa pen. I think it's about time to make a video of my Montegrappa collection, which has changed quite a bit since last time I made it. I'm very happy with this pen. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to get this pen, I think you should hurry up and go to the Corsani store and get one while it still is available. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be back soon for another one. So this is all. Bye.